In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in Gohighlevel. We'll walk through the full setup process from the course area all the way to the final creation screen so you can get your course framework in place quickly and confidently. To begin, open Gohighlevel in your browser and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want the course to live. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the primary navigation menu for the platform. From that left side menu, click on Memberships. This section is where Gohighlevel houses client portal content, learning products, and course-related tools. After that, select Courses to open the course management area. Here, you'll be able to view existing courses or start building a new one. Next, click on Create Course. This opens the course creation setup where you'll enter the core details for your new offer. Start by adding your course title. Since this is one of the first things your students will see, make it clear and specific so people immediately understand what the course is about. Then add your course description. This is your opportunity to briefly explain what the course includes, who it's for, or what result a student can expect. Keep it concise but informative, especially if this description will be visible in your course catalog or portal. After that, click Upload Thumbnail and select the image you want to use for the course. Your thumbnail acts like the visual cover for the course, so choose something clean, professional, and easy to recognize. Once selected, upload the thumbnail so it appears with your course details. Next, move on by clicking Setup Pricing. This is where you define how the course will be offered to students. Add a pricing plan based on how you want to sell access. Then set the price itself. Be sure to review the amount carefully before continuing so your pricing matches your intended offer. You'll also see a field for price text override. This can be useful if you want the displayed pricing text to say something more customized, such as a special label or alternate wording. If you use this, make sure the text is still clear to the buyer. Once everything looks right, click Create Course. That final step saves your setup and creates the course shell inside Gohighlevel. And that's it. Your course is now created, and you're ready to move on to building out the actual content inside it.